Hey, you guys. So I this is a quick video. Basically, an agent called me and they want to do an open house for one of my listings. So I'm going to go into MLS and input that in there. So several ways you can get to your listing. Um, we'll just, let's see. Well, that's definitely not it. So I'm just going to go to my active listing. Then I'm going to click on my listing and I'm going to hit edit. Then from edit, there are multiple things you can do from here. But we are going to input an open house date and time. So I'm going to click on open house, which is right here. And then I'm just going to add to what I already have. So you can delete these if you want, but I don't delete them because I want to keep track of all the open houses that I've done. So the next one that I was asked about is going to be this Sunday. And I normally go with public because I don't want to pick broker or live open house. I don't want it to confuse the public. Okay, so the dates they asked to do Sunday. So that would be September the 3rd. And the times that he gave me is Sunday from 12 to 4. So we're going to do 12 p.m. Make sure you click the p.m., okay? And then it's already p.m. here, so I'm just going to do 4. And p.m. is there. It's active. Then I'm just going to hit validate and submit, okay? Now, if you go back to the open house, once you hit validate, it's going to open up a new entry. So just go back to the top to the previous entry to make sure what you inputted is in there. And then basically go back out and it will take a while to show, maybe about 5 to 10 minutes. And it'll be in there and it'll show everywhere on Zillow, Realtor.com, Trulia, pretty much everywhere. And so if you if there are people out there that don't have realtors, then this would be a good thing for them because they could just show up. And if you're the one doing the open house, you can turn them into your buyer. Let's see if there's anything I want to show you guys in MLS real quick. So we did the open house. Um, I think that's it for now. If you have any questions, let me know.